We'll guide you through how to create a Steam account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So in order to go and use Steam, you need to have a Steam account. So we're going to guide you through creating one. Steam is a game marketplace and a game launcher. There's free and paid games on it. Open a web browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome, but you could use Edge, it doesn't matter. Go and type in Steam and come to the site store.steampowered.com. Go to the top right and you can find the option for sign in. Now it's going to go and ask you to go and sign in, but you can go and scroll down and find the option new to Steam, create an account. Click there. To get started, go and enter in your email address. So I'm going to go and type mine in now. You then need to confirm it, choose your country of residence and confirm you're a human. Make sure you read and agree to the Steam subscriber agreement. I already have. Confirm that down here and you need to be at least 13 years of age or older and then go and press continue. Check your email for the setup email. It'll go and look like this and you can press verify my email address and then return to the window. Then what you can do is you can go and start entering in the next info. So you can go and choose your Steam account name. So this is a unique name, so nobody else can have the same one. So for example, if I want to use GuideRealm, that will not be available. But GuideRealm YT is. Now go and choose a password to go and secure your account. You can then go and press done, like so, and we've now gone and created our Steam account. Now we can go and start using it and log into the app with it.